Our entire biotech sector is built on the ability to control two of life's foundational biopolymers, think DNA and proteins. Recombinant biotechnology, gene editing, being able to program life has unlocked incredible value. But controlling life's third class of biopolymer has been tricky. Long chains of sugars called glycans cluster in every cell of our body and most of our drugs, but engineering them is closer to cooking than to coding. Augment Bio has built an AI that lets us write in glycan code to take control of a whole new dimension of engineering biological drugs, a $450 billion global market.
Well, we augment biologics. Well, glycans cover most of the biological surface. They're what your body sees and interacts with when it interacts with a biological drug. They're absolutely critical to protein design and function because they fundamentally influence a drug's behavior, safety, and efficacy. The right glycosylation can have a massive impact. Some glycans can increase drug efficacy 50 to 100 times, nearly doubling patient survival in certain diseases. The wrong glycans, on the other hand, can be dangerous, potentially causing severe adverse events, even anaphylaxis. Controlling this critical quality attribute, as defined by the FDA, can ultimately make or break a therapeutic program. Conventional glycoengineering is incredibly hard because it's historically been a slow and expensive process of cell line and media engineering, taking anywhere from 6 to 18 months and still resulting in a highly heterogeneous product with up to 30 distinct glycoforms. Well, at Augment Biologics, we're changing the glycoengineering paradigm with our landmark discovery of the genetic encoding of glycan biosynthesis. We spent 10 years understanding how protein shape controls glycosylation and have built an AI that can tell us how to make small protein sequence edits to yield valuable glycan changes. Glycoengineering now becomes glycoprogramming, and glycoprogramming is easy because it's written into the DNA. It takes us 10 seconds to generate new variants on the computer, and only 2 weeks to get experimental validation. This allows us to genetically encode desired glycans directly into the protein sequence with site-specific accuracy, transforming glycan control into a design solution from the very beginning of the drug design process. We were able to program an antibody glycan that people have been trying to engineer for 20 years. In 2 months of optimization in our AI and 1 month of experimental validation, we were able to place that function-critical immune-modulating glycan on the Fc of an antibody, something incredibly hard to do any other way. This allows us to create valuable IP on new antibody constructs to increase half-life, decrease anti-drug immune reactions, and unlock powerful immune modulatory pathways that can add to monoclonal antibody concepts across the over $200 billion monoclonal antibody market. Our customers are really excited about finally being able to fix serious problems in their advanced preclinical developmental programs. They're excited about getting access to streamlined manufacturing, but with our newest result in our flagship immune-modulating antibody glycan, where we actually improved over the state-of-the-art by over 10-fold, our partners are really excited. Even on projects not focused on this modification, because we showed what's possible. Potential partners are fast-tracking conversations to mature partnerships to access our technology platform sooner. We're starting with monoclonal antibodies, but we've got our sights set on mRNA therapies, vaccine antigens, enzyme replacement therapies, viral vectors, types of drugs where we can unlock huge value if we solve specific problems in half-life and immunogenicity. For vaccines, we can dial up the immune response. For enzyme replacement therapies, we can dial it back down and make it more active for longer. We can make all of this happen by applying our AI to new and old glycosylation problems.